In primetime news this evening, new measures. Prime Minister outlines changes to COVID containment measures for next 4 weeks. Fined, fiery saint and pastor to pay after pleading guilty to breaching COVID protocols. And COVID positivity rates fall.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. There's sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, here's our feedback question. This evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the development in Hanover which has resulted in the destruction of healthy mangroves? Share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet at televisionjam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.